program is still on. He just needs to run the second iteration here. Wow.
I would like to thank all my teachers and
Perfect. So here we have the winner for one of these categories. Yes, Shauryaveer, we are so happy for you. Yes, moving on next. What will be the next category of awards? Any guesses? Okay. So the winner is Shauryaveer Verma. Best robot design executive for the parents who do not know about this. Robot design executive summary is a summary which you have to write describing everything about your robot. You know, like how did you make the robot, how each and every mechanism is being made, why have you done this, and all of it in detail with logical and technical explanation. So the nominees for Best RDES are Agastya Bhatia, Shauryaveer Verma, and Venkatesh Dempo. Any clue on who the winner is? And here we go. The winner is Venkatesh Dempo for Best RDES. I will be showcasing his RDES towards the end. Congratulations, Venkatesh. Good job done. The next award that we move on to is the Best Robot Run Video, which is given to a child who has done the best video shooting and proper route planning and stuff for the robot and submitted the video on time. So the nominees for Best Robot Run Video were Shivan Shah, Shauryaveer Verma, and Sai Pranav Gandhi. Any idea on who the winner is? And the winner is Shivan Shah. Congratulations, Shivan. Your robot run video was really very good. And the judges found it to be the top notch thing to be nominated as a winner for this category. Once again, heartiest congratulations. Moving on next, Best Project Research. So based on this year's theme, we trained students to do the research and eventually come up with their own unique solution for the project work which FLL has given to us. So students did submit some of the amazing projects. All next awards are going to be the award category for project. Let's see the nominees. Nominees for Best Project Research are Vedant Abhyankar, Arav Zaveri, and Shauryaveer Verma. And the winner is Arav Zaveri. Arav, a wonderful research done, in-depth research with the pros and cons of all the existing solutions and stuff presented by you, which really impressed the judges. So you are the winner for Best Project Research. Congratulations to you once again. Let me see who all are clapping. Are we all clapping for Arav? Yes. Super. Let's move on to the next award. Butterflies. Most innovative solution. This award is given to the child who has come up with a really unique, innovative solution to the problem statement given this year and which looks to be quite viable and implementable in terms of the project that he has submitted. So the nominations for most innovative solution for the project are Sai Pranav Gandhi, Agastya Bhatia, and Rehan Heradia. Any guesses on who the winner is? I would like to showcase the video right away. And the winner is, with the butterflies, Sai Pranav Gandhi for most innovative project submission. Congratulations, Pranav. Heartiest congratulations. Let me show you his video so that you get to know what he has done.
hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about my project for the COVID-19 challenge by RoboFun Lab. The theme for this year's FLL is replay, which means that people nowadays are playing less and we have to think on how to make them play more. The problems I found were that people don't find places to sit in parks or the chairs are uncomfortable and so they don't visit the park again. People exercise for half an hour and take a break for 1 hour. The solutions I found to these problems are that you should make a foldable chair that can fit in your backpack, and that you should make a chair that tells a person not to sit for over half an hour. Now, you might think, why should I need a special foldable chair? Why can't I just use the foldable chair I have at my house? Now, the answer to that is because they have some flaws, which I have tried to eliminate in my project. Those flaws are things like the chair is too less durable, so it breaks easily and doesn't last for very long. It's too bulky even when folded. And there are no chairs that can tell you not to sit for over half an hour. Here is a briefing of my project. So, I combined both the solutions and created a chair that can turn into a chair, a table, and a bookshelf. Its original form is a small box, like a briefcase, that has a handle to hold things, and its weight is about 800 grams, and so it can be easily held. The chair is made of cypress wood, solid aluminium, and bioplastic. There are two sensors, one touch and one ultrasonic. The touch sensor checks if the chair is folded, and the ultrasonic sensor detects if the person is sitting. So, if the person is sitting, it starts the countdown of 35 minutes. The chair has metal in the corners so as to give it strength, wood to hold the books, and plastic to give it shape. The plastic is biodegradable so as to not harm the environment. There is also a handle to make holding easier. Thank you for watching, and thank you, RFL.
So this is how the video is. Right, so Sai Pranav, once again, congratulations for submitting such amazing project. Back to the awards parents, back to the award students. Okay, next, let's move on to the next category. Best project presentation video. Okay, any guesses who can be the nominees? The nominees for this category are Kayan Parmar, Rehan Heradia, and Agastya Bhatia. This award is given to the student who has used most effective techniques to do the presentation for the project that they have made. So yes, winner for this category is Rehan Heradia. Rehan, heartiest congratulations for this amazing victory. Right, we all are proud of you and the kind of presentation video that you have submitted. We will be soon sharing it on our Facebook page so that everybody can see how a good presentation about a project or a topic can be done. Heartiest congratulations once again. Moving on next. Okay, best project report. Best project report is basically an award which is given to the child who has submitted the best report for the project that they have undertaken, which includes all the details about the research they have done, and then eventually the detailing of the solution that they are proposing to solve this year's problem. So yes, the nominees for this year's best project report are Neil Shah, Venkatesh Dempo, and Agastya Bhatia. And the winner is, any clue? Neil Shah, for the best project report submission that he has done for FLL skill building programs done by RFL. Congratulations, Neil. We are so very proud of you. Very good job done. Moving on next. This is the category that we added, which was not there in the PDF that we sent across, but looking at the ideas and the kind of reports and videos submitted by the kids, we thought that this is the category that needs to be added, because there were a few children who really went out of the way and came up with some very good ideas. So best out of the box ideation award nominees are Kayan Parmar, Arav Zaveri, Yuvir Mulchandani. Any guesses on who the winner is? Let me give you a hint. The winner is the person who has tried to make a project solution using Discord as a platform, which is extremely popular amongst your age group and a very good social media channel. And the winner is Yuvir Mulchandani for his best out of the box idea submitted for FLL project. Congratulations, Yuvir. You have done a fantabulous job. Whew. Moving on to the next category. Best time management skills. This award is basically given to a child who has never been late to the class, who has never submitted any homeworks late, and who has always been attentive in the class as well, right? And the nominees for this award are Vedant Abhyankar, Jayaditya Gupta, and Shiven Shah. Any guesses on who the winner is? The winner is one of the youngest participants as well. And the winner for best time management skills is Jayaditya Gupta. Jayaditya, the sincerity and pursuance that you have shown in this program is really commendable and inspiring for others. Heartiest congratulations for this award. Kudos. Moving on next, best core value poster. Basically, best core value poster award is given to the child who has made a very good core value poster covering all the aspects of FLL, project work, core values, as well as the robot game, and represented in an extremely creative manner on his own. So based on the assessments that we have done, nominees for this award are Aryaman Kejriwal, Shiven Shah, and Shauryavir Verma. Any guesses on who the winner can be? The winner for this award is Aryaman Kejriwal for the best core value poster. Congratulations, Aryaman. We would be showcasing your core value poster after this awards to everybody. The way you have done it, the way you have used your project idea creatively to make a core value poster has been really very good and unique amongst all the submissions that came in, and you truly deserve this award. Congratulations and kudos once again. Moving on next. Again, this is a new award category that we just introduced yesterday, because the kind of project that one child has submitted, the way he has presented the project and the way he has thought out of the box to market that product, and the kind of confidence that he has shown that no, he can make actually that product and can sell it in the market, right? So that approach, that attitude was purely entrepreneurial, and that is where we thought we should be giving out this award as well. There have been no nominees for this award, but a very clear and straightforward winner. And the winner for Entrepreneurial Mindset Award is, any guesses? Kayan Parmar. Kayan, heartiest congratulations. He is planning to design a robot which can help us in our day-to-day activities, right from studying to exercising to talking to us and various other stuff. And he has set a deadline to build his product and launch it in the market with proper investments and everything. So the kind of ideation that has gone behind it is really good for the age of, basically for the child of this age group. And that is where Kayan has been awarded with the Best Entrepreneurial Mindset Award. Moving on next. So we are with this, we basically end all our category awards. And now what is left is like a Rising Star Award, Judges Choice Award, and last but not the least, Championship Award. Right? Should we start with the Rising Star Award? Okay, let's go. Basically, Rising Star Award is given to the students who are novice in the program and have shown promising talent in this year. And they look to be going way ahead as compared to their competitors in the coming competitions or any other field as well. The kind of commitment, the kind of passion, the enthusiasm, and everything and anything that was associated with this program, they have gone out of the way and they have ensured that they give their best. So we have two winners here. So winner two is Manav Nathwani. Congratulations, Manav. You have done a wonderful job, right? And we are pretty hopeful for you for all the upcoming events in robotics and beyond. And winner number one is, any guesses? Winner number one is Shaunak Hede. Shaunak, congratulations. You are an extremely committed child, and the way you are progressing, we can see something really good coming out of you in the coming times. Right? So be this and keep evolving with each passing day. Congratulations once again for this Rising Star Award, Manav and Shaunak. Okay, okay. We are inching closer. Judges' Choice Award. Basically, this award is given to the students who deserve much more than the category awards, but they stand a little back for the championship award. Like they couldn't make it to the champions, but they were way ahead of only the category awards. Like they have done very good in all three segments, but if they would have put in a little more commitment, they could have done even better. So Judges' Choice Award is given to such students. And we have three winners for Judges' Choice Award. Winner has three. Any idea? Vedang Agrawal. Congratulations, Vedang. Winner has two. Vedant Abhyankar. Heartiest congratulations, Vedant. Okay, we have Vedang and Vedant. Do we have any more children from V and looking for the award? Okay, let's move on to the hash one winner for Judges' Choice. And the winner is Shauryavir Verma. Heartiest congratulations to all three winners for showing outstanding commitment and progress in this program. Really, really happy with the progress that you are making. But remember one thing, there can be one more step which you could have put in to claim that championship award. Right? But yes, there is always a next time, and this itself is a wonderful achievement. Heartiest congratulations, everybody, once again. Okay, moving on to the final awards, championship awards. Let's do one thing. Let's first clap for all the winners until now, and then move on to the championship award. Okay, I am not going to speak any name for the championship awards, right? This is a good idea. You can put a clap symbol on your name so that you know we are appreciating all the winners. Okay, I am not going to speak up any name. At regular interval, I will be fleshing the names out for all the champions, right? And I have a special song for them. Patiently, I have vision, though I believe. I know I can count on me, so stand up for the champions, for the champions. Yes, we all can actually stand up. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up. Stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up. Yes. Here we go. It's getting close. Now it's just who wants it most. It's just life, that's how it is. Cause we have our strengths and weaknesses. Oh, I have vision, can't you see? I'm on the move, make way for me. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions. So we have the champions with us. We have the champions with us. Rehan Heredia, Agastya Bhatia, and Sai Pranav Gandhi. You have made us proud. Amazing thing done. Wonderful submissions. Wonderful commitment shown in the entire program, and the way you guys work is seriously outstanding. Way to go, and congratulations once again. So, with this, I end all our awards here, and we'll again clap for a second for all the winners here. Yes, a wonderful job done. Okay, let me come to the main thing now. Yeah. So basically, parents, first programs are always the celebration of STEM, right? You are celebrating each and everything that you are learning, whether it is your research, whether it is your project solution, whether it is your robot game, anything, right, that you are learning in this journey is being celebrated in a very good way by first. And that is where we decided that since till date, we do not have any clarity about FLL happening on either national or international platform as a remote event, why not give our kids a chance to showcase their learning in a competitive way, and then eventually give them a miniature experience of an FLL competition, right? And that is where this whole idea was conceptualized, that okay, let's roll out a competition, let's have all the awards that actually first would give in these competitions, and let's try to motivate all our students who have put in X number of hours for this competition and for this entire preparation. And that is where we did this. And trust me, it has been a wonderful response from students and as well, because each and every child has submitted the things. Each and every child has done submissions for everything, right? And that itself shows how much more commitment these children are showing for such programs. Apart from it, it was our very first experience to ship out an EV3 box from our lab, and kids used it and handled it with utmost care. Almost few pegs were broken and few pieces were missing, but that was pretty expected. But yes, apart from this, there has been no major loss from kids' end and from your end as well, which again is a very good thing, right? So appreciating all those things and appreciating learning for everybody. This was for all of you, right? You might have questions like, what next? Frankly speaking, in terms of World Robot Olympiad, even we are clueless. We are approaching national organizers from last 1 month. There has been no clarity. We are approaching international organization as well, but there has been no clarity as of yet, right? So what we are planning is, okay, let's put a break on this program right now, because kids have gained enough in terms of building a robot, doing their research and stuff. So if at any point in time they are launching an FLL competition, we are all set to get started with the preparations. We have 20 ideas of projects for this year. Imagine what more can we expect, right? From which we can narrow down one and can work for in the final competition. So currently, like maybe option number one is you can look at various other online programs that we are offering for this age group, right from drone flying simulation to AI with Python, Java programming, machine learning, mobile app development, right? Creo learning. Like if you are keen to design things in CAD tool, then maybe you can enroll for our Creo programs as well, where you can learn in detail about engineering drawing, do 2D to 3D, 3D to 2D, and eventually operate CAD tool and design your own things, right? So there are various options available to learn from. So that is how these things are designed. And apart from it, we have World Robot Olympiad 2021 happening completely on an online format. So we are consistently in touch with the organizers. It looks like challenge will be launched on 16th January as always. And once we have the clarity, we will keep you posted for WR. We had a very good experimentation run for World Robot Olympiad online format this year as well, where one of our open categories team stood sixth, then junior high category team stood ninth, then senior high category teams stood 15th and 16th as well. I know those are not some ranks that we can be extremely proud of, but yes, we are proud of because it has been the first time for everybody, right from our students to our coaches and the entire fraternity. So that is how we have been able to take it up. And the best part for World Robot Olympiad regular category was just a day before Diwali night, 10 o'clock, challenge was launched with the surprise rule. and coaches and all the students of regular categories were up from night 10:30 until next night 10:30 to crack the surprise rule and submit their videos. So students and coaches, everybody were up 24 hours. Nobody wanted to go to sleep until they'd finished their submissions and all of it, right? So that has been extremely positive. We did a wonderful project in open category. So even in this pandemic and tough times, the team traveled to the lab. We opened our lab for a few days and team came, we followed all the precautionary measures and things were done. So yes, those were some of the good things that we did. So this is what all I have to present, right? Maybe we will get back to you with the details of all our other programs that these kids can take up. You can have a look into it, can enroll, can take a break of 10-15 days and then again come back. Anything is fine. We are also coming up with Christmas camps where we will be doing crash courses. If you feel their exams are coming right now, they cannot give much time to the computer and learn all these co-curricular things, then we have Christmas camps coming as well, where we will be finishing the courses in crash module. So, basically it happens in a way that we can finish the course in 5 days, 10 days, 15 days at a stretch and can get things done. So that way also options would be available, right? So yes, this is it from my end. We would actually love to hear some feedback from students and parents as well for this journey. You all can, 1 second, let me give you a permission to unmute. You can unmute yourself now and you can speak up if you have anything to share. And feel free to share the way you all have been creative in sharing on the videos. You can be creative here as well. Yes, parents, students, any feedback to share. It's okay if you share a critical feedback as well. We are always open to such feedback too. So yes, you can speak up. Okay. Then I believe everything has been so perfect and you all have... Yes, Sandhya ji, bolo.
I wanted to thank, CTW and everybody, all the teachers, the way they work with all the children. Thanks for keeping them engaged in this particular year, right? The way you people have mentored them online, keep them meaningfully engaged, at the same time ensured, that their skill building was happening continuously. There was no break to that,
Yeah,
which was critical. So I completely appreciate the effort that each and every teacher at RoboFun Lab puts into the children and the teams. It's totally inspiring. So
thank
thank
you.
you so much for keeping them involved, and it was a beautiful journey. FLL was a lovely journey. I have had fantastic interaction on three fronts. There was a first global challenge, then there was a WRO, and then there has been FLL. So I'm completely indebted. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to each and every teacher over there.
Always a pleasure, and we all work to make their journey wonderful and have a very good learning. So yes, this is all from our end. Anything, parents or students, if you would like to speak up, or else yes, we are done with this awards and we shall send you the recordings and everything.
I think the FLL we did was wonderful because we learned a lot of things. We participated in everything. All the students were together. We were working on projects side by side. We were learning. It was a lot of fun. We had a completely new and good experience for the first time.
How about you all getting EV3 kits at home? Tell me what was your all's first
That was
experience
amazing.
about
That was
EV3 kits
amazing.
at home? Okay, great. Anybody else? Yes,
Me, Sai here.
yes.
Yeah, I love the fact that whatever Pranav achieved is everything is on his own. Parents were not involved at all. So I love the fact that he graduated from wanting to have some support to doing everything on his own,
Okay.
including making his own. We don't even have an idea what he did for the project.
Okay.
We didn't even bother to show it.
Okay. Great. So then it's a good learning journey then, I believe.
Yeah, it's amazing learning. Yes. Yes. Thanks.
Super.
Yeah.
So even I love the entire FLL journey, the project work, the robot game, and also whatever problem. Even if I faced a problem with my EV3 or my app, then all the coaches were always helping me, especially Arvind sir, Shailesh sir, and Ritu ma'am. So yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you for your kind words, Rehan, and congratulations once again. Yes, yeah,
So,
yes.
so actually, I was down with COVID-19, and during that time, I thank all RFL coaches for all the help they gave me.
Okay, Shaunak, it has been our pleasure to help you in your tough times.
Thank you, sir.
Pleasure. Super parents. Yes, Venkatesh, you want to
So,
speak?
yes, sir. So, hello, sir. In the FLL course, my favorite part was the robot game, and I even learned to search problems and innovate new solutions. So I thank my coaches a lot.
Thank you, Venkatesh.
Thank you, RFL, for this wonderful FLL course.
Thank you so much, Venkatesh. Thank you. Yes, Agastya, you want to say something?
Yes, even I wanted to thank all of my coaches, which actually made this happen on the online platform, because it might be like really challenging. It'll be really hard to get all the students under control. And I also would like to thank all the coaches for giving us such a thrill while we're doing each and every like part of FLL, like the core values, the project work, and the robot game. The thrill was just different, which we may not get in any other competition, maybe because FLL is just different, and it was amazing being part of this experience.
Thank you so much, Agastya. Thank you for these kind words. And I'm sure we will be there to give you even more thrill when offline competitions happen in the coming future, where you will be so anxious and you will have so many butterflies in your stomach when your robot run would be going on. So yes, much more to come in this entire journey. Yeah, super. So
So can I say something?
yes, sure you will.
So I thank all my teachers for helping me throughout this course, and I learned many new coding platforms and tips and tricks because I was mostly involved in physical robotics and not coding type robotics. So this course was very helpful for me, and quite a few others were also, and it gave me like a revision while the pandemic was going on. Otherwise, like once I'm out of the pandemic, I wouldn't know much of robotics anymore.
Okay, even after doing so many WROs, maybe you would have again taken time to build the robots again with that EV3.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, boliye.
So, the interaction, like I said, I insisted earlier also, the interaction with each and every teacher at RFL is quite a gem. So, for example, I remember this particular incident when these girls were preparing for WRO open category, and this happened around Diwali. So, it was Choti Diwali, if I'm not mistaken, and the three girls were at the institute. They were, doing the finalizing and everything else, and Ritu ma'am was also over there. So they wound up about, I think it was around 8:39ish. I had come to fetch the girls and I asked Ritu ma'am, can I drop you? Where do you come from? She comes from somewhere really far at that time in the night, going back during pandemic, then festival. So, keeping all those things aside and then working with the team, I think you all give your heart and core and everything to it. So, which is
Our
what
WRO coaches missed their Diwali this time because they were more excited for competition than Diwali.
correct. And I insisted, can I drop you? She says, no, that's okay. It's a regular for her and she'll go. So that was really touching.
So thank you so much for this. And we work to have this experience for all our students and parents. Yes. So thank you. Thank you so much, parents. And ending this.
Sir, I had a question.
Yes, Venkatesh.
Sir, for the assignments which were put in the Google Classroom, like which marks weren't given, written assignments, like where we'll get their marks?
Soon. We will post your marks on your WhatsApp soon.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Venkatesh. Thank you, parents. Have a very good night and stay safe until we get the vaccine. Yes. Thank you. Bye.